got my bell peppers over here. Actually, my peppers. I got 2 bell peppers, the green variety and the purple variety, as you can see. Then this one over here is my jalapeno pepper plant that I had bought and it had died during the transplant. And I had brought it back to life. So look at him with his full luscious leaves. He got some flowers on him. I'm not sure if you can see. But there you go. There go his little babies that's gonna be coming out soon. As long as I keep them good and watered. Yep, as you can see, we're gonna have plenty of jalapeno peppers. So as far as I remember, it's supposed to be the sweet variety, but who knows at this point. This is the mystery jalapeno plant. Alright, we got the cantaloupe back there doing good. And as you can see, I done harvested the purple bell peppers. I haven't cut them open just yet because I'm waiting to let them ripen up a little bit before I cut them open. But they got more babies coming. As of right now, I see 3 coming. Ain't that wonderful? Had 2 at first, now it's gonna be 3. We're gonna hope all 3 get pollinated and they grow and we get a chance to harvest them. Alright, so this green bell pepper, I haven't looked at it good to see any flowers coming on. I don't really see too much new growth, so I'm gonna pick that last pepper. I was waiting to get a little more fuller. Look at it, don't have that lump at the bottom anymore, so it looks like he's doing better than me. I'm gonna get him picked and harvested very soon. However y'all want to say. I think I'm gonna say picked because it's not like we're gonna have a whole lot of vegetables at this point. But there he go. Alright, and the cantaloupes are still growing strong over here. So on to the cucumbers. It's gonna be a quick one because we're gonna get this cucumber update. So as you remember, we had did a harvest last time, and there's the other ones that was growing on. They're coming in quite nicely. I'm pumping and I'm getting milk everywhere, you guys. So we're gonna cut that short. We're not gonna do the cucumber patch hunt at this point, but there's a quick update on the cucumbers. Alright, as you can see, the ones that are visible at the point that I'm not gonna look for any, but you can see it's still alive and growing and doing great. Alright, you guys, happy gardening. I'm on my way to work. You can work in gardening, you can do it. Good luck to everyone who's gardening this year, 2024. Good luck to you all. Happy gardening. Let's keep it up.